Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know you saw the thumbnail. I have a massive box from BoxyCharm, and this is all about the Boxy pop-up that's launching literally in like 3 days. So if you want to see all the stuff they sent me, some mini reviews on the products I've been playing with, some that I've literally been using for years and I'm already obsessed with and I'm so happy are in the pop-up. Get all the info and all of that fun stuff. Make sure to keep on watching and please don't forget to subscribe. That's going to be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. Also, there's going to be a giveaway in this video because there's a couple items in here that I will not be using, and nothing wrong with it, they just aren't my vibe. So make sure to stay tuned to the video so you can see what I'm not using, which means I will be giving it away. To enter the giveaway, like this video, comment down below with what you're most excited for in the pop-up, and subscribe to my channel, and that will get you entered to win some goodies. All right, I'm done talking. Let's jump right into it. All right, so I'm going to put this down because if I try and like, next item, I'm just gonna keep hitting myself in the face with the box. So, first item they sent me is actually going into the giveaway. I love this product. This is the Korres Hydrobiome Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. I already have this. I have used this before. I'm a huge fan of it. Honestly, I don't use it nearly enough for how much I like it, but it is going in the giveaway because I do already own this product. And more for you guys. This is gonna hydrate, balance the skin. Probiotic to me just really is for like nourishing and adding that like healthy good stuff back to the skin. So first item in the giveaway is this puppy right here. Next item is actually an empty box because I have used this in the past. I love the Kate Somerville Exfoliate, and I have not had this in my collection for a solid like 6 months. So the second this box came in the mail, it already went into my bathroom. So not going in the giveaway, but if you're looking for a lightweight exfoliator, it does have like a green tinge to it, almost like a matcha scent. Definitely a beautiful product if you wanna like polish off the dead skin. You guys know that Brandon is like obsessed with exfoliators and definitely uses them a little bit too much. That being said, this is one that I feel comfortable letting him use because even if he uses it 2-3 times a week, it's not gonna strip his skin. Next item going in the giveaway, this is from The Laundress, New York. It is the Delicate Wash in the scent Lady. This is a silk, synthetic, and blend, basically like a hand washing dry clean formula for like silk blouses, negligee, lingerie, undergarments that I am not a person who uses. So because I don't really have a need for this, this is also gonna be going right into the giveaway. Is it sealed? I should probably, it is sealed, so I can't even tell you how it smells, but if you are looking for something that you can use to like hand wash your dry clean onlys and your delicates, that's for you. The next item this is again something that I'm in love with. This is the Cure shampoo. I have this in my shampoo and conditioner right now in my bathroom. I'm actually running low, so I did need it restock. This is not going in a giveaway. This is actually literally going right into my shower when we finish this. Amika makes some of, if not my favorite hair brand products across the board. I used the Bust Your Brass for like ever when my hair was blonde and silver and purple and anything in between to tone. And the fun thing is that the conditioner in the Bust Your Brass and the shampoo and the Cure are actually identical. The only difference is they put that purple pigment in if you're trying to like reduce brassiness. So if you don't have blonde hair and you wanna hydrate and nourish and clean your hair, this is gonna be a great pick for you. If you're blonde, check out the Amika Bust Your Brass. Not that this won't work, but I know some people like having that purple tinge in their products. Next up, which is also going in the giveaway, this is the Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray, also from Amika. I just don't need a blowout spray. I have a leave-in conditioner, the Supernova from Amika, which is like, I use it every day. It's like a lotiony pomade kind of leave-in conditioner. It doesn't have a lot of hold. I do still need a little bit of hairspray, but that also has a heat protectant. So if I ever do want to use a blow dryer or a Hot Tools or something, I'll use that. I don't need a blowout buddy. My hair is not long enough. So my loss is one of your gains. That's jumping in the giveaway. Next, this is actually going to be something I'm going to hold on to. This is the Highline Wellness CBD cream. It is a body lotion cream thing. I honestly have been recently getting back into like using body lotions. The issue is I just moved to Florida, so I'm in the heat a lot more. My skin is getting a lot more dry. I know that it's usually the opposite. It's like there's humidity in Florida, I can't speak. There's humidity down here, and on the other side of that, it's not winter, so I shouldn't be as dry, but for some reason, my skin's been a little extra dry, so I'm gonna be giving this a try. In addition, I have been loving the Korres body wash, or body butter, thank you, that came in the BoxyCharm Premium. I'll link my premium unboxing up here, but I've been loving that, so I've been looking for something to kind of mix it up with. Not that I don't like the lemon basil scent, or basil lemon. Not that I don't love that scent, but sometimes you want something a little bit different. The next item, this is from my tag-alongs. It is the hair tool case. I believe, yeah, it is a heat-resistant travel case for your hair tools, straightening irons, things that you don't want to burn things down. So if you're looking to protect your vanity, or if you're looking to travel, that could be something like that. I'm actually going to be giving this to a friend just because I know she'll love this and it's definitely her color. So that I am going to be keeping. The next item, which is the final item going in the giveaway, this is they're little wrist weights from Bala Bangles. I couldn't tell based on the logo what it was, but it says BALA Bangles.com. So Bala Bangles, they are a wrist weight for like running and jogging and all that fun outdoorsy stuff. So that's going in the giveaway as well. It is a set of 2 wrist weights. They're about £1 each. And the last 2 items I'm actually gonna try out with you guys on camera because I'm really interested in it. First, it is the Eco Aroma Top 3 Essential Oils, which kind of cool. I love essential oils. I used to have a diffuser. I left it in New York because it was a little moldy. So I figured I'd get down here and get a new one. I just haven't gotten it yet. And that pairs with the Eco Modern Essentials Mini Mist Diffuser. So I actually, portable aromatherapy, purify the air, boost energy, etc. I'm going to try this out because I'm actually really intrigued by it. So you can use this 2 different ways. The first is on its own, where it'll kind of stand and just kind of shoot essential oils. If you want it to be long wearing or more long term, it does say you can like sit this in a glass of water and it will use that water to continue to vaporize things into the air. So to use this, I'm going to fill it with water and then I'm going to figure this out. So as much as I would like to try that on camera, I thought it was something like battery operated and it needs to charge. So I will leave a comment down in the description box how that works out, but just based on like the kind of vibe of it, I'm really excited to play with it. And the fact that it's portable and I can put that like in any room, especially that it's like USB charge, I love that I can like put it next to the bathtub or next to the bed or whatever. So really excited about that. There have been a number of spoilers all over BoxyCharm's Instagram, which BoxyCharm's Instagram is going to have so many different spoilers. I'm not going to list every product that's going to be available in the pop-up here because honestly, go check out the Instagram. The one thing I will say is it does launch on February 11th. If you are interested in any of these items or any of the other ones, make sure to check out the pop-up. No, I don't make commission. No, there's not a code for it, but that doesn't mean you're going to get 80+% off. There's no reason not to play around with some of these goodies. So do make sure that you enter the giveaway. Let me know what products you're looking to scoop up in the Boxy pop-up online event, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.